All right, so this is what we got. We got this right here. I'm going to make a half round bottom swage. I'm going to use this to drive in for the half round. We got axle. This is going to be used for the actual flatter itself. And then we've just got some flat stock, mild steel that I'm going to use to make the saddle for the half round swage. might as well open this up while we're here, do a little mail opening. This is from Drazen's Forge. The package got wet. Need to get it in the mailbox. But it shouldn't hurt this at all. What we got here is a bag of crushed coal dust to help me with. Oh shit. Good thing it landed right where I put coal dust for when I'm punching eyes by hand. So that hole in the bag worked out. Now I've got it back in the packaging that it came in. I know it caused the coal shut in there, but this is just demonstration first. It works pretty good. Okay, maybe not. It's got a bow in it. Maybe I should have hardened it. There it is. Now let's temper it. All right, so I tempered it really deep, like a deep purple, just because being under the power hammer, I don't want any kind of shrapnel breaking off or flying through the shop. All right, here it is. The heat treat worked out really good, actually. I've used it a couple times now. So far, it's dead straight. There's no bowing. The backside looks really good. It's not easy to use. I gotta say that people like Torbjörn and Brent Bailey and Dan Moss and all these guys, it's incredible. I mean, Hans, he's another one. The way that you can use the power hammer, and I mean, This isn't easy. Just because I got a power hammer doesn't make me a better smith. That's for damn sure. Same with the anvils. Just because I got these nice anvils doesn't make me a good smith. But I'm working on it. A lot of it is tooling. That's for sure. But, well, here's this one. I don't know, the handle could be a lot better. Good enough for me. Good enough for who it's for. So, I guess that'll be it with this one. I got to do some maintenance on the power hammer. Just check some things over. Make sure all the bolts are tight. So, you guys have a good one. See you in the next one. And on a side note, Black Bear Forge, another excellent smith, gave me the idea with his hook of the week to do a series. I'm going to try to win this, it's like the whole rear end of a semi. It's got both rear axles, it's got all the leaf springs and everything. It's at an auction. I'm going to try to win that. And I'm thinking about doing like a tool of the week, or maybe even a tool of the day. Maybe if I can afford all the fuel. But so anyways, I'm thinking about winning the rear end of a semi. It's got, I mean, from the cab back, frame, axles, everything. And I think I'll do a tool of the week or something like Black Bear Forge did with the hook of the week. Let me know what you guys think about that. I guess we'll see what happens at the auction.